Hi, it's Steve, and after watching and enjoying YouTube videos from Mr. Carlson's Lab, Electro Boom, The 8-Bit Guy, and even Great Scott, I decided to make this video for educational purposes. I thought sharing what I learned on my adventures in this repair could possibly help someone else. A word of caution: opening up an electronic device can be dangerous or even fatal without knowing proper electrical safety techniques and training. If you attempt anything you see in this video, you're going to do so at your own risk. If you've got to think about this statement, find someone that is qualified to work on electrical devices that can help you. Here we have my Lionel train lamp made by KNG America. When my lamp quit, my wife looked around online to simply replace it with something else. Then she discovered that this lamp was licensed by Lionel for a limited time, and only the used models were available on eBay, and those were selling quite well. So rather than an ugly table lamp, or potentially buy someone else's problem, I opted to repair this lamp. I knew I would need to open up the base of the fixture to see what might be wrong. After removing the power, I first peeled off the little sticky rubber feet and set them aside in a clean plastic tray. I would need to reapply those later with a little dab of rubber cement once repairs were completed. Next, I removed 8 coarse screws to expose the circuits inside the base of the lamp. Much to my surprise, I found a small high-voltage daughter board that contained a fuse that was clearly blown up. I checked all the diodes on this board with my VOM to ensure they were all working correctly. I matched the 1-amp fuse and then replaced it. I gave the lamp a try, and this was in hopes that this would have corrected all the issues. The lamp was on and the train and sound system all functioned, but the bulb would not turn off. The circuit that turns on the light bulb is nothing more than an opto-isolator with an SCR, or silicone control rectifier. The gate of the T106D1 SCR is switched on by the Cosmo 1010 opto-isolator. I knew either the opto-isolator was being forced on or the SCR had failed. I first dug around the internet to try and get data sheets for the legacy old parts. I then went to NTE and cross-referenced each of these devices. I found that each was available and the component values and package pinouts were exactly the same. As Newark Element 14 is a distributor, I ordered one of each component. I recommend, if you need these parts, to call Newark or your preferred NTE distributor to ensure they can get these items. And don't be a bit surprised when you find out the ground shipping's going to cost you more than the $6 worth of parts. The actual repair was pretty simple. I noted the physical orientation of the old SCR. Next, I simply unsoldered the 3 pins of the TO202 package from the circuit board and then soldered in my new NTE 5457 FCR. I went back over my work, trimming leads and cleaning any extra flux off the joints for a professional-looking repair. And after I reassembled the lamp unit, my Lionel train lamp once again works just like new. Part numbers as well as links to NTE and Newark are in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching.